It was in this air-conditioned conference room, over fast food and with her fellow employees and legal team, that Rappler CEO and executive editor Maria Ressa spent the night in detention after being arrested by NBI agents for a supposed violation of Republic Act 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 Wednesday evening. Before her arrest, Ressa has posted bail 5 times for tax evasion cases, as well as escaping an arrest threat in December 2018 when she came home from the United States. This time, however, Ressa was caught off guard as NBI agents entered Rappler's offices in Pasig City past 5 o'clock in the afternoon of February 13, armed with an arrest warrant against Ressa that did not indicate how much she needed to pay for bail. Past 6 o'clock in the evening, she was taken to NBI headquarters in Manila, where she was booked as her legal team sought to have her released. But she would end up spending the night in the place, as a night court in Pasay City denied her motion to post bail, citing jurisdictional reasons. It is the incomplete arrest warrant and the supposed denial of the judge to grant Maria's petition that her legal counsel, Attorney J.J. Dicini, says would be questioning in court in the days ahead.
The recommended bail is in the information, and we don't have a copy of the information, but it's about 120,000 pesos. This is one count of cyber libel. The next step would be for us to file for a quashal of the information. We think that the information is deficient on many, many grounds.
The arrest warrant that was issued against Ressa was in connection to a 2012 Rappler story about businessman Wilfredo Keng and his alleged ties with then-Chief Justice Renato Corona. It was published months before the cybercrime prevention law was passed. The NBI later dismissed Keng's complaint, but the Justice Department later ruled in Keng's favor. This was because Keng had argued that Rappler updated the report in 2014, which is 2 years after the enactment of the cybercrime prevention law. However, Rappler says that the update in question was merely a mechanical error.
In this particular case, the so-called republication was a correction of a punctuation mark or an addition of a punctuation mark, which did not affect the meaning of the original quote.
Meanwhile, Rappler's legal team said no arrest warrant was issued against former Rappler researcher and reporter Reynaldo Santos, who wrote the article in question. Ressa, however, remained defiant, saying that she is not intimidated and that no amount of cases can silence what Filipino journalists are doing under the Duterte administration. She also went on to thank her supporters and colleagues.
Is that what it takes to be a journalist in the Philippines today? We are just telling the story of what is happening. You know, thank you to the people who are on social media, who came out. So many friends who were okay. I'm fine. They went through a lot of effort to have me here tonight. And okay, I'm here.
Outside the NBI headquarters, a small group of protesters gathered in support of Ressa past midnight. Paulo Barcelon, CNN Philippines.